Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to set up QuickBooks payments and connect PayPal so you can start accepting credit card payments easily. Let's get started. 1. Navigate to Payments. In the left-hand menu, select the Bookkeeping tab. Then select Transactions. Next, select Connect Account from the landing page. 2. Connect to PayPal. Select Connect. Ensure pop-ups aren't blocked. If they are blocked, head to the far right of the URL bar and select Allow. Select Launch PayPal. 3. Enter your details. Enter your PayPal email address. Enter your country or region. Select Next. On the new page, enter your PayPal password. Then select Login. Confirm your password. Choose to either receive a text or have PayPal call you. Select Next. Enter the 6-digit code you receive by text or call into the pop-up box. Select Continue. 4. Converting your personal account to a business account or creating a new business account. If converting from a personal account, select that option and click Continue. Follow the steps to create your PayPal business account by entering your business details on the PayPal page. You'll then be able to choose whether you want to select a tool to help protect your business from fraud. Select Next or Not Now. Your information will be reviewed and you can start using PayPal with QuickBooks. Select Go Back to Intuit Limited to continue. Name your PayPal account. Select Next. Choose a category for PayPal fees. Select Done. Your PayPal account will now be connected to your QuickBooks account, and you'll be able to accept payments through PayPal when invoicing your customers. And that's it. You've successfully set up QuickBooks payments and connected PayPal to accept credit card payments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.